The 2024 KTM 250SX takes that to an all-new, gnarlier level. Thanks to a swath of cutting-edge advancements across the board, this two-stroke legend has stepped up, and even further out of reach of the competition. KTM 250SX enters the race paddock with 53 horsepower, and an overall engine weight of only 23.9 kilograms, setting the 250SX engine sets the benchmark in the highly competitive 250cc class. Premix gets a remix across the two-stroke KTM SX range, with electronic fuel injection setting the standard. Now there's no more fiddly jetting setup pre-race, and thanks to the KNFE and reed valve case design, you can be guaranteed of laying down optimal power at any altitude, all of the time. With FE comes great rideability. Along with the electronic fuel injection, a power valve has also been fitted to the KTM 250SX. Suspension front WPXACT-USD, air spring, tool-free setup, split damping function, hydrostop to improve bottoming resistance, air pressure preload valve, compression adjust, rebound adjust, 48mm diameter. Suspension rear WPXACT monoshock with linkage, coil spring, tool-free setup, high, low-speed compression adjust. Features: redesigned fork protection rings, new retro-inspired, in mold graphics with a touch of purple wrap the ergonomic bodywork. Renewed suspension settings focused on improving bike balance and comfort. Updated fork settings for improved balance and comfort without sacrificing bottoming resistance. Updated shock settings to maintain perfect balance with the new front fork settings. Engine is tilted 2 degrees back, 8mm shorter and features increased bore and compression, compared to previous generation, for better mid-range performance. Topology optimized handlebar mounts increase grip surface for reduced bar twist. Quickshifter function allows clutchless upshifts from 2nd to 5th gear. Launch control is easily engaged by pressing the traction control and quickshifter buttons simultaneously and works by limiting the amount of power to the rear wheel, improving traction, and preventing loss of control under hard acceleration. Map select switch changes engine character depending on track conditions and rider preference. Map 1 linear, predictable power delivery. Map 2 crisp, explosive power output. Traction control is easily toggled to an on or off position from the same switch, ensuring maximum traction and a distinct advantage in wet or muddy conditions. The 2024 KTM SX and SXF range feature a rider triangle, providing improved knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs, with improved gripping surfaces all around. The plastics work to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, with a flatter seat profile and high-grip seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control. The polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe further enhances rider feel and feedback. With a major emphasis placed on mass centralization, the 2024 KTM 250SX engine is designed to centralize rotating mass for optimal operation with the chassis. This results in a lighter, more agile handling feel that simply runs rings around the competition. The anti-squat behavior of the chassis is significantly improved by changing the backbone of the steel frame concept. In layman's terms, the 2024 KTM 250SX gets its power down perfectly when tearing out of corners. Energy absorption besides the expertly crafted, hydroformed, laser-cut, and robot-welded frame being engineered to provide exceptional rider feedback and straight-line stability. It consists of specifically calculated parameters of longitudinal and torsional flex. This means the frame acts as a shock absorber, of sorts, making for a less harsh ride, resulting in less rider fatigue over many hard laps.